Willie D Live.
What's up, family? Diddy just got a small reason to smile despite being behind bars in federal custody. A judge just set aside the $100 million default judgment in his Michigan sexual assault lawsuit. Diddy scored the legal win during a motion hearing on Wednesday, where his attorney David Fink convinced the judge to set aside the massive judgment because inmate Derek Lee Cardello Smith, who claimed Diddy drugged and sexually assaulted him at a 1997 Detroit party, failed to prove he effectively served the lawsuit in accordance with Michigan law. Judge Anna Marie Anzalone also scrapped the temporary restraining order stopping Diddy from selling off any assets to cover damages, noting Diddy has a likelihood of winning the case on statute of limitations grounds because Cardello Smith's claim date back to an alleged incident in 1997. With the default judgment set aside, the case will now proceed like any other lawsuit. Diddy's next expected step would be to file a motion to dismiss the case entirely. As reported, Diddy didn't file an answer to Cardello Smith's lawsuit, which is why the judge originally granted Cardello Smith the $100 million he was asking for. Question: who amongst us thought dude was just gonna walk away with $100 million? Be honest, because I know some of you were saying, yeah man, he finna be the kingpin in prison. He got all the money. $100 million, he gonna get $10 million a month. Fam, I told y'all. I knew he was, first and foremost, nobody's just finna give you $100 million. There's too many ways to go through legal loopholes to reverse that judgment. So, dude apparently has passed the statute of limitations in Michigan. Had he been in New York, may have been a different story. Now, what is that going to do for some of the other people who are coming out of the woodworks? I think it's going to make some people pump their brakes. Not everybody, because I'm sure that other lawsuits are coming because they thought that that $100 million was a wrap, that actually was going to happen. I knew for a fact $100 million, even if Diddy had to go back to Cardello Smith's lawyers and work out some type of deal to cut that judgment in half or greatly reduce it, that would have happened before he paid a $100 million judgment. Nobody's just gonna give you $100 million. That's not how it works. If you got $100 million, you got enough money to buy the absolute best lawyers. And a lot of times when it comes down to these judgments, when it comes down to being found innocent or guilty or even being charged at all, a lot of it comes down to how good your attorney is, how talented that attorney is, because all attorneys are not created equal, and that's what a lot of us tend to forget. A lot of people give attorneys the benefit of doubt, thinking because they are supposed to be smart, they're attorneys, so automatically they're smart. Most lawyers are fairly intelligent, but not all lawyers are created the same. Not all lawyers are talented. You saw that with the O.J. Simpson case. But anyway, fam, what say you? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. No more talk.